Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript. And in this tutorial we are going to learn a new method related array. And our method name is isArray. We already covered all of this function in our previous tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to cover this function, isArray only. Here you can see total 3 variables, var a, var b and var c. And also you can see their data types. Var a is an array, var b is a number, and var c is a string. So you can recognize their data type very easily. But how can your program recognize that is it array or not? Suppose you want to set a if condition. If variable is an array, in that case, you want to perform a code. Else you want to run other code. To recognize it, we have a special function, which is isArray. So let's see how we can use it practically. Here you can see side by side I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using Live Server extension, and I already created a HTML document named index.html. And inside the script tag you can see we have an array. And in this array, we have total 4 variables. And I also print this array in my document. And now I want to check is variable array is array or not. For that, first I'm going to create a variable. Var x equal to, and now we need to call the function array dot isArray. And inside the round braces, we need to pass the variable name array. Then semicolon to end this line. This function always return true, either false value. So let's print the variable in my document. So here I will type document dot write. Inside the round braces, I'm going to pass the variable name x. Then semicolon to end this line. If I save this file, you can see the result. It's written true. But if I change the data type, let me show you. So I'm going to duplicate this line and comment out previous line. And here I'm going to remove this array. And I'm going to insert a numeric value, which is 55. If I save this file, now you can see it's written false. Now, let's use this method with the if condition. For that, I'm going to remove these lines, and here I'm going to type if. So here I'm going to type if inside the round braces array dot isArray function. Inside the round braces, I'm going to pass the variable name array. If the condition is true, then inside the curly braces, I want to print a document statement. Document dot write inside the round braces, and I want to print this is an array. And in our else condition, I want to print else inside the curly braces, document dot write inside the round braces, this is not an array. And also semicolon to end this line. So let's set the file and see which statement it's going to return. So if I set this file, as you can see, it's print this is not an array. Because as you can see, our variable data type is number. But if I disable this line and uncomment this line and then set this file, as you can see now it's print this is an array. So using this function you can check this variable is array or not. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.